You might have come across videos on YouTube or TikTok featuring various celebrities hugging their childhood selves, like Leonardo DiCaprio, Emma Watson, Dwayne Johnson, or hugging their favorite stars like Justin Bieber, Blackpink's Rosé, or BTS's Jungkook. There are even clips of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez reuniting with a hug. What's exciting is that these videos can be easily generated for free using just 1 or 2 images and AI. I'm going to introduce you to 3 great AI hugging generators. Let's get started. First up is DreamVid. It's not only free, but also has a fast generation speed, requiring just 1 click with no instructions needed. Great results. Free download DreamVid from description below or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. Open DreamVid. Click the feature of Hug. Just go to the main interface of the product and click on the hugging feature. Upload photos of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez, then click the button and you'll generate the image you want. Similarly, if you want to see which 2 people kissing, just go to the main interface of the product and click on the kissing feature. Let's use photos of Thanos and Thanos for our example. First, upload the 2 photos, then click Generate. After waiting a few seconds, you'll have a very clear AI-generated kissing parody video. Of course, there are other features, such as AI Kiss one-click outfit changing, where you can select your desired outfit and generate it instantly. Countless interesting AI effects are waiting for you to explore. Most importantly, DreamVid is available for free. Free download DreamVid from description below now. Next, let's try Haleo AI. This AI is quite popular. Let's generate images of Iron Man and Thanos. It requires manual input. Just click to generate. OMG. Although it's free, there's a 30-minute wait. This is such a waste of time and really affects the experience. You can try it yourself. Finally, it generated the images. Ew, the results are weird, and the body movements were processed incorrectly. DreamVid still seems better. Lastly, we have Vidu.ai, which is also decent. Let's give it a try. We'll use a photo of Jungkook and a girl. However, Vidu.ai requires manual input, so it's not as convenient as DreamVid. Now let's check the results. It's pretty good. In conclusion, I highly recommend using DreamVid. 1-click generation and free to use. Be sure to click the comments section to download DreamVid. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.